Today's video is a thrift with me at Goodwill video that quickly turned into a sold on eBay video, as I sold 4 of the 5 items already. Stick around until the end of the video to see what items sold and for how much. So today's Thursday. I am on my lunch hour. I have maybe half an hour. Do you guys go to the same Goodwill every day? We only have the one Goodwill in my town, so I try to hit it every day during lunch. But I'm just curious, is anyone else out there a daily Goodwill shopper? Let me know. Anyway, I'm gonna put my face mask on and go inside and hopefully find something good. I head inside and I look for the new racks in the back of the store. They didn't have any clothing racks out, but they did have these shopping carts full of new items they have yet to place on the shelves. I didn't find anything here. I then made it over to the women's jeans section. Jeans at this Goodwill are $4.25 each. I like to pick up the larger sizes because they sell much better and faster than the smaller sizes, but I do pick up any size in a good brand. Here I'm looking at some American Eagle jeans. I've had much success selling American Eagle jeans, so I go ahead and put these in my cart. The distressed, high-rise, destroyed denim jeans in American Eagle sell very well for me. Here's a pair of Old Navy jeans. I usually pick up the Rockstar jeans, but I'm curious if larger sizes in Old Navy also sell well. So if you have experience in that, please leave a comment below. Here's another pair of American Eagle jeans. One of these is the mom jean, which I go ahead and put in my cart. Again, as you can see, that one was frayed, distressed, destroyed. Those are all keywords to use when you list your denim jeans. I asked my Instagram followers if I should buy or pass on a couple of the items that I found at Goodwill. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm peace.of.scrap on Instagram. 69% said yes, they would pick up the American Eagle mom jeans for $4.25 to sell on eBay, while 31% said pass. I have never picked up Franklin Covey laptop bags before, but as I do work in technology, I know Franklin Covey is a well-known brand. I asked Instagram if they would pick up this bag for $5 to sell on eBay. 52% said yes, 48% said pass. How you doing? Do you like this type of content? If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me I should continue to do these type of thrift hauls. Also click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. Now let's see what I passed on and what I purchased. Okay, I didn't find much, but I was only in there for about 25 minutes. I picked up a Franklin Covey leather laptop bag for $3. I don't normally sell these, but we'll see what happens. I also picked up 3 pairs of denim jeans, 2 American Eagle, and 1 silver jeans. Then I got a really cool projection alarm clock. I spent $21, including the alarm clock. I got 3 pairs of jeans and a leather bag to flip for a profit on eBay. I'm gonna go home and get these listed and see what happens. Following up on my buyer pass game in my Instagram story, I purchased both the American Eagle jeans for $4.25 and the Franklin Covey laptop bag was actually $3 instead of $5. I purchased both of them. One of the items sold already, the mom jeans from American Eagle. But that's not the only thing to have sold from this thrift haul already. Stay tuned as I will go over what has already sold on eBay in just a bit. If you like this thrift with me video, tell me. Give me a thumbs up so I know to start building a Thrift With Me playlist. In today's Thrift With Me video that quickly turned into a what sold on eBay video, I paid $20 at Goodwill. The thrift haul included 3 pair of denim jeans for women. I paid $4.25 each for. A projection alarm clock, new in an open box for $4. And a Franklin Covey laptop bag for $3. Making my total $20.74, including taxes. As I mentioned, this Thrift With Me video is now a what sold on eBay video, as many of the items sold within days on eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook. As I mentioned, I sold 4 of the 5 items already within weeks of listing. I will go through the items in ascending order from low to high, so stick around till later in the video to see what sold for the most money and where. The first item to sell from the thrift haul were these American Eagle mom jeans. I paid $4.25 at Goodwill. I accepted a best offer of $22 plus $10 shipping. My net profit after fees and cost of goods sold, $14.12. The next item sold on Poshmark, a pair of silver twisted capri denim jeans. Again, I paid $4.25 on this day at Goodwill. They sold for $23 on Poshmark, leaving my net profit after fees and cost of goods sold, $11.66. The next item sold on Facebook Marketplace, it was the projection alarm clock I paid $4 for. I accepted her offer of $27, leaving my profit of $23. This item was new in the open box, but since the box was already open, I went ahead and tested it, and it did work very well. I cross-posted this item along with many others on several different websites. It sold on Facebook first. At the time I listed this projection clock, I was still cross-listing manually, often having up to 4 browser windows open at a time. Within the last week, I've started using List Perfectly, which I absolutely love. It's such a time saver. If you're interested in using List Perfectly, I'll add a link below in the description. Using my affiliate link, you will receive 30% off of your first month. I strongly encourage you to give it a try. You can always cancel it if you're not satisfied. And the last item of the 4 to sell for the most money actually sold on Poshmark. Again, jeans were $4.25 at my Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price of $38. After fees and cost of goods sold, my net profit on this pair of jeans, $24.03. To recap, I spent $20.74 in this Thrift With Me at Goodwill haul. I purchased 3 pairs of jeans for $4.25 each, a clock for $4, and a laptop bag for $3. I sold the American Eagle mom jeans for $32, the American Eagle jeggings for $38. Do you guys also look out for American Eagle jeans and jeggings? If not, perhaps you should be. I sold a pair of silver jeans capri denim for $23 and a lacrosse projection alarm clock for $27. Looking at comps or comparative solds on eBay for the laptop bag, a similar one sold for $44.99 plus $7.84 shipping. Seeing those comparative solds, I expect to get $50 shipped for the Franklin Covey laptop bag. Having already sold 4 of the 5 items for $120, I'm well on my way of turning my $20 thrift haul into $170. This Thrift With Me video took a lot longer to edit than I expected, but I will get faster in time. I like to produce YouTube content that is different than other resellers you may already follow. But I'm curious, do you like this Thrift With Me format, or should I try something different? Either give this video a thumbs up or even a thumbs down if you don't like it. If you'd like to see what else may have sold from this Thrift With Me video, Click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell to be notified of my next What Sold video. Continue watching the What Sold playlist located here. I will catch you in the next video.